which what I want to do is I want to teach you guys how to qualify for 8 paper loans. And this is where I did get the title Loan Queen, because I could put packages together, and it's ideally as you start getting properties, yes, you buy them with subprime because they're fast to get into them, but then when you're able to refinance into 8 paper. That's why we went over, we will go over a complete loan package, and you guys eventually will put a loan together for yourselves. Whether your credit scores qualifies or not, you need to know how to put it together, because when you're ready to go get your own loans, you need to have everything ready, and they're going to be wow that you have everything. So that's why this is going to take a while to go, but it's so important that you qualify and you know whether you're going to qualify, that it's going to save you thousands of dollars. Here's where they trick you when people ask if they can get a lower rate. Well, they'll say, well, you can buy down the rate and charge you more points. Yes, but that's because you're cutting into the loan officer's pay. The only time it does not go to a loan officer, the points, let's say, is when they work for a direct bank. Some direct banks, they charge it and give them, but they still give them a percentage of those points. The more points they can charge, they get a percentage of that. So depending where they're at, it's a percentage. Hard money lenders do charge points, but it's just an extra way of them charging because there's regulations.